What does Apex need to do to make it a top BR? I mean, it's a top BR, but to make it #1, it can't. There's nothing Apex could do to beat Fortnite. That's not possible. Can it be #2? Yeah. Is it #2? I think so. I think this is #2 BR right now. I'm pretty sure. And there's nothing wrong with that. It'll never top Fortnite. That's the hardest fucking thing ever. No game stopping Fortnite for a decent bit.
Oh, I messed up, boy. Just kidding, boys. Easy clap. Eh.
You're trolling. This isn't a time to troll. You kidding me?
I'm not trolling at all. No troll here.
God, you're right. Just running around in fucking Apex feels good.
Yeah, like I said. It's so smooth.
How's it going? What a maniac. Dude's just trying to res right there. Oh, double.
I just hit him. I thought I did, but apparently not.
This guy's shooting at Eva. These guys are so lost. I love it. Broke armor.
The guy on my mark on the opposite side of the wall.
You guys good or is there more on you?
We should be fine.
Recharging my shields.
Come on, Mike.
We good.
The complete squad is defeated. Nice work. You're good.
More.
Get ready. It's zipline time.
Oh, he rezzed the boy.
I'm on fire.
On the roof. These guys aren't bad.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Broken arm on roof.
Yeah, one shot.
Yeah. He's low. Octane's 1. 2 wingmans. I just got doubled.
Lifeline's 1
They're
HP.
low.
Down.
They're very low. Yeah.
Yeah, Pathfinder one shot behind in the back.
Octane's in here. Octane's dead.
Yeah. Nice.
The
Pathfinder
guy. Yeah.
Dead.
Nice.
Good job. I just got double. I feel like, did they both have headhunters or what are they called?
Yeah.
Spellcasters?
They did. I think.
Yeah, they doubled me. Like both headshot me at the same time.
At least one did.
Yeah. If I close this door, you can probably get mirrored here.
Yeah, you're good. I'll cover you.
Look out, grenade.
Ooh, that's nice.
So,
2 have blue armor. One's close to you.
oh, I could have ripped
1 HP. Dead.
One more down.
Enemy taken down.
me. Nice. Alright.
I'll res them.
This
You
is
can
third
heal.
time.
Got him. Okay.
To recharge my shields. Repairing. Your time is not over yet.
Havoc with the turbo purple stock is so good.
Thanks.
Good.
Patching myself up.
Gold peacekeeper here.
Peacekeeper here. I'm taking fire.
I need to heal Matt, so you.
Need to recharge my shields.
Reloading. Grappling.
Reloading.
I knew he was dead. He's like started spam crouching.
God, this
behind.
fucking robot and this busted ass hitbox. He's alone.
Wingmans. I'll fall back to you. Fall back to you a little bit.
I'm gonna grab his purple armor. I'm gonna grab his
Yeah, with the
purple
one left
armor.
side.
His buddy's coming.
Watch out. 1 2 left, TJ.
Dude, they all have wingmans.
Yeah. One armor broke on Bangalore.
Recharging shields.
Recharging my shields.
Alt coming in.
Oh no. There's
Throwing Arcstar.
Other team's go right, I think.
reloading.
Those are my mollies. One left. One close
And
left.
now
close
the
left.
third teammate shouldn't be that geared.
Body shield here. Level 3.
Never mind, yet self res.
Down the hostile on Scotty. Reloading.
Side somewhere.
Recharge my
Up top. No, I screwed up. Yo, I'm shielding. I got hit by that.
Okay. It's not be bad, Matt. Yeah, I went down to the fire, even though I wraith formed it. It's actually so crazy. There's the other one is out here by me.
On you right now.
No, not right now. He's like over here. You might be able to bait res me. I'll listen for you.
Yeah, that is right. Okay, just need to get.
The complete squad is defeated. Good job.
Last squad.
Last guy's on us.
Calling upon nature's strength. Frag grenade sent.
He's up top. Down below.
Reloading. I am taking fire, friends. Down the hostile and squad.
Hell yeah. Damn, boys.
And we were popping off.
Good job.
Actually popping off.
Haven't had a game like that in a while.
You were just over there soloing teams. We were doing teams.
It was perfect because every single time, like, I would kill the team, and then they'd give me enough of like a period to get healed up, get some loot, and then I'd fight another team and kill that team, and it just kept happening like that. I never got third partied, which was nice. I thought you hated Bloodhound? I do. I'm prepping for his buff, okay? I really believe he's gonna get buffed, and when he gets buffed, I guarantee you he'll be my favorite character.
I've seen it all.
But yeah, he's pretty bad right now.
Nothing's.
I think there's a lot of things you could do to Mirage's ults to make him more interesting, you know? His ults can be like a timer, like Bloodhound's, where you can pop more clones during that time or something.
Hang on.
Or maybe his ult can be...
I don't know where to land here, but we can
his
try
ult
it, I
could
guess.
react with his Q, so maybe like his ult... If your ult's up when you use your Q, you swap places with your Mirage, like shit like that. Little things like that could be kind of cool. I mean, there's plenty of things you can fucking do.
Just-
Oh! My god! That's the most damage I've seen with that thing.
Damn,
Nobody?
no Leonard here.
I thought
Maybe
people
the
were good,
opposite.
yeah.
Maybe opposite.
I hate the fucking bots that just farm Apex coins or whatever they are.
Oh, they just like go AFK.
Yeah.
Grenade. I downed the hostile.
Tommy 2 taps.
Reloading.
I like that name.
Did you two tap him, Mike? Did you two tap Tommy too, Mike?
No, I 3-tapped
Oh, wait,
him.
hello? Your brain.
Yeah, are you kidding me, TJ?
Frag grenade.
This
Tommy
game
two
would
what?
be... This... Oh,
Reloading. Down the hostile.
I feel like this game would be really fun to play Crimson.
What the fuck? Shroud's like.
Battling the enemy.
Oh god, I need help, boys.
I'm on the way.
I'm probably dead.
Try to leave. I'll be there.
One's low. One's down.
You know?
I downed the hostile.
Seems you have it all under control.
I think I do. I think I kind of...
Oh, running at you. Broken hitbox.
More enemies.
I have you. Kinda.
Low?
Reloading.
Nice.
Defeated
I guess. Like, fuck. Everyone is just like dead.
The squads remain.
Reload.
I still really enjoy this game.
Close.
Someone's aiming at me, Mike. I don't know. In like the town or something.
Set the portal.
I've also been enjoying PUBG again,
Yeah,
too,
yeah.
so... I don't know. I just like BRs. They're fun. It's not even BRs, it's just the challenge that they don't bring.
Reloading. Defeated the whole squad.
I mean, it's a BR, so like it kind of that's just sometimes it's challenging, sometimes it's not. You know, who knows who you're gonna bump into. This guy doesn't have a gun. He does have a gun.
Behind me too. Another team, Mike.
I'm rolling in on the flank.
Wow, we're dead, bro.
Still, yeah, still made it.
Maybe Bangalore has no armor, Mike. If you see him. Yup, picking resing right there, resing right there. And one on my mark as well, pushing. He's like right here. Finishing.
All right. I'll get you up right now, TJ.
Roger, Dodger.
See, like that shit will never get boring to me. I don't care like how bad those players were. Just straight owning them just feels good, you know. I just live for shit like that, you know. Just fucking content, baby.
I didn't kill the armor, by the way. I just gave you the comm. I saw
Fun.
someone else kill his armor. But either way.
All I know is if B-Hop got removed, this game would have to go. I'd have to get rid of it. I'm doing something ballsy.
Dude, I freaking believe. Let's do it.
Uh-oh. Thank you. Gold armor. Right here. Lifeline. Damn, you got
my
she's getting flanked.
gosh.
You can res me. Oh. What shot? What the heck was that?
Patching myself up.
I swear someone just shot it. Yeah.
What is this guy's plan?
These guys are trolling.
These
Behind,
guys
behind,
are-
behind.
Low.
Good job.
Dude, have one kill. Like, come on.
Hey, you kind of were going back and forth between those fights too. That's funny.
Yeah.
Sorry, that happens. All of yesterday, the 4 hours that we played, I literally was getting 1 to 3 kills. So
Yeah.
just pop smokes on these guys. Oh, you're fire.
Or, yeah,
Broken
yeah.
armor in the back.
No, I'm the lifeline. I'm lifeline.
Bangler is the
Oh,
only
you're
decent player.
I'll pop my. I didn't even notice your life. I thought you've been Bangalore this whole time, bro.
No. Yo, another team.
The last team. It's the last
Purple
team.
armor.
Dead.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Last, only the good player's dead. Other guys are shit.
The hell you're
They're all
talking
shit.
to?
dookie, dude. They're all dookie. Send them freaking back to the lobby, dude.
I feel toxic, but
One
like,
push left, one push right. Recently.
sorry. I don't actually think that way. Yeah, they're all great.
Well, you're not wrong. But you're toxic.
Dude,
Is the 100 gifted subs fixed? Yeah, it is. I showed it earlier. I gifted 100 subs.
You are the Apex champions.
It's the Havoc glitch?
no, don't look.
What Havoc glitch?
Put some clothes on, TJ.
Huh?
Don't look. Oh. Wow, that was
Really?
shit. I thought people were fighting already.
Oh, look, a Havoc. Oh god, I took your ammo. I apologize.
Are you alright? No. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
I think we're dead.
No, we're not. Oh, that's you. Oh, he's 1 HP.
So like,
Sorry, I had to take it. I was
Oh,
low. Take my
Come
bullet.
on. Have it.
No, I'm out of bullets. Fuck.
Here, come here, come here, come here.
Yes. One more, one more. Yes.
Nice work. Good work, kill leader.
We'll get you in a sec.
We'll get you in a sec.
You're good.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting back here with the garbage where I belong.
What the fuck?
What the? Dude?
Any shotgun ammo for my bolty?
No, but the people outside. They just fucking punched in my jaw.
Oh, they're low. Or one's low anyway.
Enemy down.
They're nice.
That was such a good weapon to start with. An Evo with a purple bolt.
Oh, you just got a purple right off the bat?
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
only reason. That's the only reason I beat the guy with purple armor. I did so much damage
good.
to him.
Defeated the whole squad.
There's still more.
Yeah. I legit only have a few shots, but I'm down.
That's it. That's it.
I'm just in limbo between you two. I don't know who to go to.
There's fucking 2 teams here.
I'm coming.
Battling the enemy.
I have you. That guy is half armor.
Oh, he just dumped me out. He actually got it.
2 teams.
My tummy.
I downed
The
2.
guy's
But
in broken armor.
I downed 2, but I think they're getting res. Yeah, he got res. Fuck.
I downed a hostile. Reloading.
Recharging my shields.
One left.
You good,
On
right?
me. No. I'm dead.
Alright.
Last one. He's gonna try thirst. No, he's not. He's healing.
Okay. I'm healing as well.
Explode here. Hostile right here.
He's running. He's in here.
Contact with target.
Strike out.
Good nade. Nice. I'm gonna get inside because might get third party.
1 second. We got
The game is, it's totally fine to die as many times as you do, and it's not as frustrating.
Recharging my shield.
Last team's here.
Downed a hostile and Scotty.
I'm gonna kill this guy. Do you want to no-scope him? Never mind.
I already downed the other one.
Yeah, it's letting you get some content, you know?
I've been manually scaling and tweaking everything so far, so balance-wise should be good.
Champions.
Plus, my girlfriend's been playing it and owning. Wait, did you mod? Are you modding it and she's the one like testing it? That's really funny, actually, if that's what's going down.